Looks like there's a new tourist trend where the tourists ride motorbikes as passengers in Kuala Lumpur. Let me try and see whether we can catch up with them. So you bypass the traffic jam by using motorbikes as motorbike taxis and have a tour of the city. Oh, there's a crow there. So this is Brickfields. Yeah, they're gone now.
Yeah.
So that's the Sentral market here in Kuala Lumpur.
Tourist hotspot.
Yep, and the Chinatown Petaling Street.
It's on the right here.
Oh, it's on the right, Petaling Street. So basically this is where tourists like to come, and it's the I'm just trying to look for the names of the street here. Petaling Street is Petaling. Ah, there, the Chinatown is that one there. That's with Petaling the Chinese Street, arch. Yeah. That's Petaling Street. Ah, durian. Look, alien durian here.
Yeah.
It's a big one there. I don't know whether it's real or whether it's just a signboard advertising. So basically this is where the tourists like to come to walk around, but it's actually not very authentic. It's just a lot of I don't know, cheap stuff made in China.
Well, that's